Good morning, students. Before moving further, I just wanted to discuss some new words which is given here in bold letters like gypsy, persecuted, pauperized. So, gypsies, the group that were classified as gypsies, had their own community identity. So, it is a common community which used to live in Germany, and they were considered undesirable. They had their own community identity. Sinti and Roma were two such communities. Many of them trace their origin to India. So these are one community, those who were living in Germany and considered undesirable. And next is pauperized. Pauperized means reduced to absolute poverty. Persecution means a systematic organized punishment of those belonging to a group or religion. In a systematic and organized manner, one punishment is given to those who belongs to a particular religion or a particular group. Like in this chapter, like Jewish, they belong to one particular religion or group. Ashrar, I have already discussed with you the money lenders, those who are charging excess interest. Now our next topic is the racial utopia. Utopia means, it's a noun. Utopia means an imagined perfect place. Now, under the shadow of war, the Nazis, they proceeded to realize their murderous racial ideal. So, by taking the help of war, under the shadow of war, Nazis, they continue killing people through genocidal war and through normal wars. So these two things, genocide and war, it became two sides of the same coin. And the Poland, we already discussed that Poland was occupied by Germany. What they did, they divided Poland, and much of the northwestern Poland was annexed to Germany. Annexed means under the control of Germany, and Germany took over some parts of Poland. So Poles were forced to leave their homes and properties behind to occupied by ethnic Germans brought in from occupied Europe. Now when Germany they annexed Poland, so the Poles they were forced to leave their homes and as well as properties, so that the ethnic Germans, those who will come from Europe, they can occupy their homes and their properties. Poles were then herded like cattle. Poles, they were herded like cattle. They were in the other parts called general government, the destination of all undesirable of the empire. So they made under Nazi Germany, one area is fixed for the people, those who were considered undesirable. So they all were herded like cattle in the parts called general government. An area is fixed for them which is called general government, the destination for all undesirable. So member of the Polish intelligentsia. Polish intelligentsia means within those, among those Poles people, some people, those who are highly educated. So they were murdered in large number. So the people, those who were highly educated among Poles, so they were murdered in large number so that they could not try to instigate other people against Hitler. And spiritually also they could not do anything, because these highly educated people, they are very intellectual and they can think logically and they can instigate other people against Hitler. And Polish children, those who looked like Aryans, were forcibly snatched from their mothers and examined by a race expert. And the Polish children, those who look like Aryans, so Nazis, what they were doing, they snatched them from their mothers and they were examined by a race expert. And after the test, after the examination which was done by a race expert, if it is found that they were raised in German family, and if not, if they pass the racial test, if the children they pass the racial test, then those children would be raised in German families. Otherwise, they will deposited in orphanage, where most of them perished. Most of them would die. And with some of the largest ghetto had and gas chambers, the general government also served as the killing field for the Jewish. So in that area which is known as general government, so here Nazis, they used to have ghettos and gas chambers. So they use those gas chambers for killing Jewish